Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to edit your YouTube videos after upload. So it's really simple. So when you are in your YouTube studio, this is how it look like. First you can set the publicity and then the schedule, the date and many much more. Here you can see the comments and then here is details. So you can go here and then you can actually edit the title and description. So that's the few things that you can only do right here, and you cannot really view or edit the actual video itself. But once it's already uploaded. So here you will see everything. So the video quality, you can upload your thumbnail, you can set it to a playlist, end screen, you can place some overlays, and that's pretty much it only. Subtitles will be here, editor will also be here. So yeah, you can also edit and apply elements on timeline. So here, this is the only things you can do. Add some blurb, and then right there, let me just close that. That's the trim and cut basically. So let me just skip this, and there you go. You go back, you have your blur, audio, and screen and info cards. This is the best editing that you can do within YouTube after it has been uploaded. So there you go guys, that is how you edit your YouTube videos after upload. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.